Welcome to the International Rescue Committee's video on online banking. Banking means handling your money safely. This includes putting money into your account, taking money out, and moving money between accounts. In the United States, banks often use technology like mobile apps and websites. These tools make it easy to check your balance, pay bills, and send money without going to the bank. This is an example of what an online banking dashboard looks like. Online banking dashboards give you a clear, centralized view of all your accounts. They show your current balances, recent transactions, and provide easy options for transferring money or paying bills. This makes managing your finances simpler and more efficient. Physical banks and online banks offer the same main services: deposits, withdrawals, loans, and account management. The difference is how you use them. A physical bank requires you to visit a branch. An online bank lets you do these things on a computer or phone. Both give you ways to manage your money. The dashboard is the main menu for online banking. It functions like a car dashboard where all essential controls are visible. From here, you can navigate to accounts, transfers, and other services. You can see all your accounts at the same bank in one place. This single view makes it easy to manage checking, savings, and credit accounts together. Many people have more than one account. For example, a checking account for daily spending, a savings account for future goals, and a credit account for borrowing. Online banking shows all these accounts together in one place. For example, in this screenshot, this person has checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and even a mortgage account, all visible on one screen. A transaction means money moving in or out of your account. The activity section of your online banking dashboard shows your transactions, such as purchases, transfers, and payments. For example, in this screenshot, you can see a credit card payment, a funds transfer, and a utility payment. Monitoring these transactions helps you track your spending and spot anything unusual. There are 3 types of transactions you will see in online banking: scheduled, pending, and completed. Scheduled means the payment or transfer will happen later on a future date. For example, if you pay your electricity bill for next week, it will show as scheduled. These are payments that are planned but have not happened yet. Pending means the activity has happened, but the money has not moved in your bank account yet. It soon will. For example, you bought coffee at Starbucks. The purchase happened, but the bank is still processing the payment. Pending means the bank is working on it. Completed means the payment or transfer is finished. The money has moved and the transaction is done. For example, you bought something at Target and the money was removed from your account. The transaction is complete. Some banks use the word posted instead of completed. Posted means the same thing. The money has moved and the transaction is finished. Knowing these 3 types helps you understand what will happen soon, what is happening now, and what is already done, completed, or posted. Always check your transactions to make sure your payments are correct. Transfer and pay services allow customers to move money between accounts or pay bills electronically. These features make banking easier because they reduce the need for writing checks or visiting a branch in person. When you click on Transfer and Pay, you will see options like Pay Bills, Send and Request Money with Zelle, and Internal Transfers. Pay Bills lets you pay companies like your utility provider or credit card company directly from your account. Send and Request Money with Zelle is for sending money to friends or family quickly. Internal transfers allow you to move money between your own accounts, such as from savings to checking. These tools help you manage your money without leaving home, making banking faster and more convenient. Transfers involve moving money between accounts within the same bank or to external accounts. This can include sending money to family or paying for services. On this screen, you see the Internal Transfers option. Internal transfers let you move money between your own accounts at U.S. Bank, for example, from your checking account to your savings account. To make a transfer, you choose the account you want to move money from and the account you want to move money to. Then, you enter the amount and click Send Transfer. Transfers are helpful when you need to manage your money easily without visiting a branch or writing a check. Plan and track features help customers manage budgets and monitor spending habits. These tools often include charts and summaries of expenses, making it easier to see where your money goes. When you click on Plan and Track, you will see options like Summary, My Goals, and Money Tracker. Summary gives you an overview of your accounts and spending. My Goals helps you set savings targets, like saving for a vacation or an emergency fund. Money Tracker shows your spending patterns with charts and categories so you can plan better. These tools are designed to help you stay in control of your finances and make smart decisions about your money. Online banking offers tools for financial planning, such as setting savings goals and tracking your progress. These features help you understand your cash flow, income, and spending habits. On this screen, you can see an overview of your finances for the month, your goals, like saving for a vacation, and even your credit score. Another helpful feature is the ability to make an appointment with a bank representative. This allows you to get advice about financial planning without visiting a branch. You can schedule a time to talk about your goals and learn how to manage your money better. These tools make it easier to plan, track, and get expert help, all from your online banking account. Bank statements summarize account activity over a specific period and can be accessed online. They provide a record of deposits, withdrawals, and balances, helping you keep track of your money. When you click on Statements, you can view past statements for your accounts. This is useful if you need to check your spending history or download a statement for your records. Remember, statements are an important way to review your account activity and make sure everything looks correct. To retrieve statements, select the account and specify the month and year. This feature is useful for budgeting and preparing financial documents. On this screen, you can choose from different accounts, such as checking, savings, credit cards, or loans, and then pick the time period you need. Once you select the account and date, you can view or download the statement. This makes it easy to keep records for taxes, track your spending, or share documents when needed, all without visiting a branch. Statements include important details such as your balance, deposits, and withdrawals. Understanding these terms is essential for managing your finances effectively. On this sample statement, you can see the beginning balance, which is the amount of money in your account at the start of the period. Deposits show money added to your account, and withdrawals show money taken out. The ending balance is what remains after all deposits and withdrawals. Reviewing these details helps you track your spending, confirm your income, and make sure your account activity is correct. Notifications are messages from the bank about your account activity or important updates. They help you stay informed about changes or alerts. On this screen, you can see the Notifications tab at the top. If you have a new message, it will show a number next to it. These messages might include reminders about payments, security alerts, or updates from the bank. Checking notifications regularly is important so you don't miss any important information about your account. Notification lists show all messages from the bank, including unread alerts and reminders. These may include payment confirmations, security alerts, or updates about your account. On this screen, you can see different types of notifications. One message is highlighted because it has not been read yet. Notifications often use symbols like a bell or an envelope to show new messages. Checking your notifications regularly helps you stay informed and take action when needed, such as confirming a payment or responding to a security alert. Enrollment in online banking is required to access services through the web or mobile apps. This process involves creating a secure login and verifying your identity. On this screen, you can see the enrollment page. To get started, you enter your account number and other details such as your social security number or tax ID. Once you complete enrollment, you can use online banking to manage your accounts, pay bills, and track your finances. Some people prefer to bank on their mobile devices using a banking app, while others use a computer. Either way, enrollment is the first step to access these convenient services. Logging out after you finish using online banking keeps your account safe. It stops other people from getting into your account. This is very important if you use a shared or public computer. On this screen, you can see the Log Out button at the top right. Always click this button when you are done or before you leave the computer. Logging out protects your personal information. We talked about how to check transactions, transfer money, pay bills, plan and track your spending, view statements, and read notifications. We also learned how to enroll in online banking and why it is important to log out when you finish. Online banking makes it easy to manage your money anytime, anywhere. Remember to keep your login information safe and always log out when you are done. Thank you for watching.